So, we have in any business, we have sales, marketing, promotion department. So, we have the biggest sales, promotion, and the marketing department in the world outside. And that is the reason we are always busy. We are always busy. So, as long as we are busy with the marketing, sales, and promotion department in the world outside, it is created by either you can say God or you can say by the existence or the nature. But if you use the word God, then there is, if you do something wrong, it will send you to hell. And if you do something good, the God will send you to heaven. That is a common understanding which leads to behavior, a particular behavior and attitude in the world outside. One of them is we are extremely busy. Our topic continues. I'm laying a strong foundation to understand superimposition with reference to the world outside. What I have to do, I see the water in the mirage. My eyes perceive it. What should I do? I cannot do anything. So do nothing. Then you will suffer from pain. You will approach to the mirage, water is not there. Then after a few miles again there is a mirage, water. Again you run after that. There is no mirage. That makes you busy. That makes you busy. Think.